Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili like Wendy's. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of ground beef, ideally 85% lean. For the tomato base, grab 2 large cans of diced tomatoes and 1 large can of tomato sauce. Don't forget 1 small can of kidney beans. For fresh aromatics, dice 1 large onion, 2 celery stalks, and 1 green bell pepper. Finally, have your chili powder, cumin, oregano, and a touch of cayenne ready. Next, we'll start cooking. In a large pot, brown your 2 pounds of ground beef over medium-high heat until it's completely cooked through. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once browned, drain off any excess fat to keep your chili from being too oily. Then, add your finely diced onion, celery, and green bell pepper to the pot. Sauté these vegetables with the beef for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to soften and release their flavors. Now it's time to bring everything together for that signature flavor. Add the 2 large cans of diced tomatoes, the large can of tomato sauce, and the small can of kidney beans to the pot. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the entire mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for at least 1 hour, or even longer for deeper flavor. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade Wendy's-style chili. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Serve it hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese and a side of oyster crackers, just like the restaurant. For an even richer flavor, consider making it a day ahead. The flavors truly deepen overnight. This recipe generously yields about 8 to 10 servings, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.